Hello friends, myself Pinkesh Kamli, and today we presenting a conceptual framework for Industry 4.0. Conceptual framework for Industry 4.0 indicates more productive and continuous systems. Companies have been searching the right adaptation of this term. Finally, conceptual framework for Industry 4.0 is proposed by concerning fundamental links between smart products and smart processes. Industry 4.0 is the digital transformation of manufacturing, production, and related industries and value creation processes proposes. This paper focuses on the developing further the recent conceptual framework of competitive dynamics and business to business value economic ecosystems, considering the changing environment of industry 4.0 and the particular perspective of civilization design, methodology, and approaches. This is a conceptual paper that review and synthesis business model concepts in relations to competitive dynamics, collaborative businesses, ecosystems, and supply chain as the evolving and reshaping manufacturing and services within Industry 4.0. Findings: the transformation of organization in light of Industry 4.0 has led to a reframing of business models and practices such as stakeholder value and supply chain relationships cooperating with a highly dynamic environment in an attempt to consider the implication that Industry 4.0 has, particularly from the service perspective. This work attempts to distill directions for future research. In this revolution, transformation to Industry 4.0 is based on 8 fundamentals technology. First, advanced adaptive robotics. Second, data analysis and AI. Third, simulations. Fourth, embedded system. 5. Communication and networking. 6. Industrial internet. 7. Additive manufacture. Thank you.